I think what she was interested in primarily was the intelligent use of knowledge. And that was really what fired her mission and fired her imagination. She wasn't in favour of too theoretical a training for nurses, and she believed that this would essentially undermine the impact of what nurses could accomplish. So if I were to nutshell it, I think she was interested in using data and information primarily as a means of turning information into intelligence, and that intelligence into impact through its practical application at every turn.